In this video, we will learn about the relational operators supported by Java and how to use them. From its name, a relational operator is used to determine the relationship between two values. The relational operator is used in a Boolean expression. A Boolean expression is an expression that evaluates to true or false. This table shows 6 relational operators and their meaning. All of them are interpreted in the form of a question that can be answered as true or false. The first two ask if the value to the left is greater or less than the value to the right. These relational operators ask if the left side of the operator is greater than or equal or less than or equal the value to the right. The last two operators check for the equality or inequality. The double equal sign checks if the value to the left is equal to the right value. Remember that a single equal sign is called assignment operator. Double equal signs ask the question is equal. The last one checks for the question not equal, which is represented as an exclamation point followed by an equal sign. Let's see a few examples of how to use these relational operators. First, I'm checking if 5 is greater than 2. Java evaluates the expression and prints true. Then I reverse the operator and check if 5 is less than 2, which is false. You can also work with double values. Here I am declaring a double variable x, which is 10.1, and then I'm checking if x is less than or equal to 11, which is true. I can also check if it's greater than or equal to 10, which is also true. What about 11? It will turn to false. Here I'm checking if x is equal to 10.1 by asking the question equal, which is true because that's the value of x. What about not equal? It should give me false. You can also work with Boolean variables. Here I'm declaring isEmpty a Boolean variable and set it to false. It could be a variable that represents a tank, whether it's empty or full. Here I'm asking if isEmpty is equal to true, which is false because isEmpty is set to false. Then I check if it's equal to false, which should be true because isEmpty is initialized to be false.